Hi there, let's look at advantages and disadvantages of using an electric car today. First, the advantages. EVs are far more efficient, converting over 77% of energy into motion compared to just 20 to 30% in petrol or diesel car. They have fewer moving parts, meaning less wear and tear, fewer spare parts to replace, no engine oil, no oil filters, no fuel filters, which means big saving on maintenance. And if you charge with solar, you save even more. It will be half the cost of an ICE engine if you compare it for a period of 5 years. However, there are few areas you need to pay attention before you purchase an EV. Number 1, vehicle value and durability. In countries like Sri Lanka, vehicles are expected to last 10 to 20 years, and second-hand value is a big concern. Some EVs in the past lost their significant value, even being sold at low as 600,000. Some owners even swapped in petrol engine. Need to carefully consider whether your EV will hold value over time. You need to consider the value of the EV battery and depreciation. Since the battery makes up to 40 to 60% of an EV's cost, depreciation directly affects resale value. And as new models enter the market at cheaper price, older EVs may struggle to hold value. Safety is critical. EV runs over 400 volts compared to 230 volts at home. So proper insulation and safety standards are essential. Batteries are heavy. The right material must balance safety and efficiency. There are also a risk of fire and thermal runaway, where damages or overheated cells can cause intense toxic fires. Always check the safety measures built into your EV which you are planning to buy. Think about your lifestyle. Do you have time to charge daily? Can you handle waiting in queues at charging stations? Do you have a second car for an emergency? And think about range. With AC, wipers and headlights on during a rainy day-night traffic jam, can your EV still take you to the last mile without stress? Health, safety and ethical practices. There are also ethical and environmental questions. How is lithium, nickel and cobalt mined? Is child labor involved in this? Do mining operations release more carbon than traditional vehicles emit in their lifetime? What about water contamination and long-term health effects? Are there any risk of electromagnetic radiation for humans? These are questions we must consider before embracing EVs fully. True enough, EVs are exciting, efficient and eco-friendly, but they also bring new challenges in value, safety and ethics. Before you buy, make sure you have thought about the advantages and the compromises, and whether an EV truly fits your lifestyle. Because an informed decision today ensures a smoother ride tomorrow. Learn more about vehicles, new developments, knowledge required to make a right decision. Subscribe this channel, like and share for others to know. Thank you.